Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use Omegle on iPhone. If you want to use Omegle in your iPhone, then I'll show you how can you do it. So just simply open any browser in your phone, and here you have to search for omegle.com. Okay guys, just simply search for Omegle. It is guys. Now after that you will see this type of interface. So from here you have to tap on first link. Now here is the omegle.com talk to strangers. If you want to talk to someone, then you can use this. Okay guys, so if you want to start a chat, then you have to tap on start chat, and if you want a video call, just simply tap on video. Okay guys, so you have to tap on one of them. Okay guys, just simply tap on one of them. Now I'm going to tap on this one. After that you have to tap on both of these, so you have to check on both of these and just simply tap on confirm and continue. So just simply tap on confirm and continue, and after that you will be able to chat someone. Okay guys, in Omegle. Okay guys, and if you want to start video, tap on video, and you have to check on both of these. Just simply tap on confirm and continue, and you will be able to a video call with strangers. So this is guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.